So here is how we helped Gavin's coaching business eliminate the need of a team of 30 plus team, saving them 300 plus hours per week and 2 to 5xing their conversions while also 10xing their customer satisfaction. Alright, and before I get to that, the problems we're about to list in this video is exactly the same problems I've seen with all the coaching clients I work with. I work with all the top coaching clients you could think about. I work with Nass Academy, I work with Anthony and Neel, and I work with these guys, and they work with all the top brands out there. So one thing I noticed is every single coaching company have this exact same problem. I'm about to list you how you can overcome these problems. So stick till the end, and it'll be much worthwhile. Alright, so the first thing is this is the testimonial that Gavin has given me, by the way. So when he said, there's an automation guru that sets everyone apart, and he consistently was an extra mile, and he talks about all the operation enhancements that he had in his business. And let me tell you something, Gavin was one of my mentors for like 2 years. I think he's one of the best guys out there. Gavin, if you're watching this, I flipping love you. I'm so proud of the progress you had. Hopefully we can catch up again. So moving forward, so Gavin, they have one of the biggest coaching companies out there. Due to the India side, I can't talk about all the clients that they worked with, but one of the clients that they publish, they talk about as one of the clients is Glenn Cardo. So you can imagine the clients they work with. Alright, so this was from one of the clients that they have. So we set up these automations to automate their entire order processing system on it. So they have Zapier and they have ActiveCampaign as a CRM. So we automated the entire sales process for them. Let me show you the problems that these guys had before they were working with us. Alright, the first 5 big problems was manual order processing and delivery. They had hundreds of customers every single day submitting orders, and guess what? When they submit orders, you're supposed to give them webinars, you're supposed to give them the resources. And because this was done manually by the team every single day, they had 30 plus team doing this thing, and they had long waiting times to get the resources that they paid for. You know what happens if you don't immediately satisfy the customer as soon as they made a purchase, which is a big commitment from them? They return and they refund and they don't come back to your business at all. It's the exact same problem they had. So customers were banging their head against the wall, and they had 10 times more refunds. And the second thing was manual handling of live webinars and program reminders. So this was a coaching company they were working with. So they had webinars every week, and they had multiple webinars throughout the month. And guess what? The reminders that is sent to them, and also the sending the webinar notifications and all these things was done manually by their team member. They had a 30 plus team, and all of them was done manually. So guess what? There were so many errors because some customers didn't get the items on time. There were so many wasted times. Third thing was they had a very inefficient lead management system. Alright, so they lost many 6 to 7 figure leads in their entire pipeline. Customers were banging their head against the wall, and they had 10 times more refunds, and their rep was crumbled. They had a poor process throughout the entire operation, so they had constant errors, and they had a very dookie productivity. My content creator added that term in there. So dookie means bad. Okay, let's put that out there. Gen Z's, And last thing is they had a very dookie marketing system. So they were missing leads and high quality leads because their system was not optimized to their sales process, and so which resulted in decreased conversions and revenue loss throughout their entire operations. Alright, so this was the main problems they had, and the two bigger overarching problems that we identified was they were having a lack of customer satisfaction, and they were losing valuable leads. So that is when we came in, and we basically fixed these things, and basically these problems was causing a lot of frustrations and overwhelming anxiety in their business. Because guess what? If you can't make your customers happy, your business is eventually going to die. It's the exact same problem that they came to me with, and that's when I helped them set these things up. So this is how we fixed each of these problems. So first thing that we did is we implemented a fully automated order process system and delivery. So the moment the lead books something on Shopify, we immediately send them in 1 second. No matter how much volume, no matter who books, or which course, or which material, or which webinar, we automatically send them immediately right away. And we ensure instant customer access, so there is no hiccups in between. And second thing was they had a fully automated handling of live webinars and program reminders. So automated systems send webinar reminders, webinar welcome materials, and webinar links, which resulted in more people joining the webinars, which resulted in more conversions, obviously. And now they had a fail-proof automated lead management system. So automated order fulfillment, automated webinar reminders, and automated welcome emails using Zapier and their CRM ActiveCampaign. Alright, so the next thing is now the whole entire client process is fully organized and efficient. Last thing is now they have a killer high converting marketing automation throughout their entire sales and marketing process. So we used email and SMS campaigns, and we also guided leads throughout the entire process to convert very quickly. And these are just some of the screenshots that we've taken for this thing, and credits to Gavin who helped me set up the funnel. I set up the entire automation, alright. So the results that we got after implementing these things is once we implemented a fully automated order processing, the customers of their clients were 10 times happier. They had a smoother process and they had boosted efficiency. And second thing is now they had a fully automated handling of live webinars and program reminders, which eliminated the need of the 30 plus. They literally replaced 30 plus team members because the automation was handling the entire thing. Literally, they were added to some other roles because the team couldn't do anything else because it was fully automated. They had higher attendance rate and they were 10 times more happier. And the third thing is they had a fail-proof automated lead management, which resulted in 10 times more happy and loyal customers, and no deals were missed since the day we implemented this thing. And the next thing is they had an organized, efficient processing, so which resulted in them saving 300 plus hours per week. And the fifth one is once they implemented the high converting marketing automations, they had 2 to 5% increase in conversions. So that is the result that coaching company had. And guess what? Once we implemented these things, once I implemented these things, they had so much confidence and excitement to go ham and scale even faster and better. And that's exactly what they done. And they could do this while working less and having a leaner team. So if you want to scale a coaching company while working less hours and having a leaner team, click the link below to schedule a demo call. And even if this is not the right thing for you, even if it's not the right fit, at the end of the demo call, you can at least know what the competitors are doing. So you can perform better and do better. So if that's something you're interested in, click the link below and schedule the call, and I will see you there.